Welcome to our full guide on how to save chat messages on Snapchat. Keep your important conversations and cherished memories safe by following these easy steps. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once inside the app, locate and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to access your chats. Next, select the desired chat where the message you want to save is located. Scroll through the chat to find the specific message that you wish to save. Once you've found the message you want to keep, tap on it to select it. This will highlight the message and provide you with options for actions you can take. Among the options, look for Save in Chat and tap on it to save the selected message. This will ensure that the message is stored securely within the chat for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily save chat messages on Snapchat and preserve meaningful conversations or important information with ease. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you navigate the process of saving chat messages on Snapchat. Enjoy the convenience of being able to keep your messages safe and easily accessible within your chats on the platform.